with ChatGPT and what's going on with it, there's so many use cases. How do you see ChatGPT changing the marketing world?
I mean, I think one of the most common use cases is like not using it as a replacement from 0 to 100, but like the 0 to 1 writer's block, idea block. I see it really progressing through that within seconds. Because I've tested a lot. I've done it for like business models. Yeah. Like will it write a 10-step business model? It's done it. I've done it for outbound emails.
Really?
I haven't messed with the version 4 with imagery yet, but I've seen
they've had that on 3 with some different UI interfaces where it's been crazy. Some of the AI generated
sketching websites on paper, sending it, and then it writing HTML code for the site. I think one advertised is you take a photo of your fridge and then you submit it, and it'll give you all these recipes based on the image, like labeling and recognition of what's in your fridge. It'll just start knocking out recipes you could make.
Dude, that's a pretty dope use case.
Which I think maybe Samsung smart fridges had that. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. But the smart fridge thing always I was like never a smart fridge guy. Sometimes I feel like the smart tech goes past the point of function.
A bit unnecessary.
Yeah, exactly.
But I was just going to say, that's kind of what I was speaking towards earlier with like that camera example in terms of like, I don't know the camera, therefore I just imagine anything. Like, I feel like now we're at the place where the script has changed and it's like, we know we can essentially do anything.
Correct.
The struggle is coming up with the net new idea.
Yeah, what is the thing
within it
that we do with the fact that we can do anything?
Yeah.
Well, let's look at what Microsoft is doing. So I had a video I sent to Scarlett. They just launched 365 Copilot. So essentially it's ChatGPT for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, etc. So let's go see what they're doing. I haven't even watched the video yet. We're going to see it live together. Oh, shoot. Well, I guess we don't need Brady, Scarlett, and Peter. As a Google business, it's a little crappy to watch because I don't know if I could do any of that cool stuff in Google Admin right now. Google Workspace, whatever it's called.
That was a cool video too.
Very good video.
It was well done.
Exceptionally well done. Their demo slapped. It got well received. That's still from March 16th. Okay, so the comment of you don't need the 3 is funny because I think that's the exact opposite angle you should take.
Yeah.
I think the angle...
Yeah, I agree.
Like, Brady, you aligned with that one? Well, here's my kind of take on it. I don't know how much productivity it's actually going to create because it can't externally reference anything outside of its own data source as a product. So a lot of people don't realize that. So it doesn't have access to any other database.
But this looks like it would feed it. Like the whole prep me for my next meeting.
It's your data, correct.
Yeah,
it is,
your data.
That's living in your data, which is cool. And I love that. Do you think our current humans, net new humans are different? So people who are not currently technology users due to their age. Mm-hmm. Young people, like 8-year-olds. I think they're going to become very productive and powerful with this. I've found older people have a hard time ideating, to your point, how and when to use AI.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a technology issue so much as like an awareness issue of like, oh, I could have asked AI to do that for me. And even if AI does it for you, how much productivity do you think we get?